Hello my friends, I'm Duchess and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a Webtoon with me video and Webtoon creator talk. Let's get started. So I am currently working on episode 8 of my Webtoon. You'd be surprised at how long it actually takes me to finish each episode. I expect it to be quicker at this by now because it's been a little bit over a year since I've been working on Webtoon. But it takes me a little more than a month to finish one episode, sometimes 2 months. It really depends on how much work I get from college and things like that. If I have finals soon, it will take me extra long to complete my Webtoon episode, and sometimes there's random events that happen and then I just don't have time to work on it, but yeah. Anyway, since I've been on winter break, I have much more time to work on my Webtoon, so I am speeding through this episode. If you are a super busy person, you have work or school or both, then I recommend that you create buffer episodes. Buffer episodes are basically episodes or panels that you have saved up to upload when the time comes. During the semester, I sometimes end up barely finishing my panels on time to upload every week, or I have to end up cutting the amount of panels that I upload each week so that way I have enough to upload every week. Usually during finals, I struggle to upload, so I'm really working hard to have extra panels so I don't end up posting less panels or not posting at all. Right now, I have a few extra uploads ready for the next few weeks, which is amazing. I have 4 weeks ready for posting. It was a lot of work, but I'm so happy to be done with it. Having these buffer episodes makes me feel less stressed out about not having anything to upload because I have them waiting to be uploaded. I also have to keep working hard on my Webtoon, otherwise my buffer episodes will be for nothing. I'm starting on episode 9 soon and I'm so excited. It's not super exciting or full of action or anything, but I think it'll be fun to work on as well. Episode 8 was pretty fun, but episode 9 will probably be better. There's something that has been bothering me about uploading my Webtoon lately, and I just kind of wanted to talk about it a little bit, and it's the episode thumbnail. Some thumbnails work and some don't work, and I'm not sure why. Of course, Webtoon has the specific size and specific dimensions that it wants for the thumbnails and for panels in general. But I could not upload some thumbnails that I wanted for a few of the uploads. I'm not sure why, because sometimes the file size was bigger and then they let that thumbnail be uploaded, but for a smaller sized thumbnail they wouldn't let me upload that one. I don't get it, but I'll have to figure that out someday soon. By the way, I was wondering what you guys think about episode titles. Do you prefer Webtoon episodes to have a specific title, or do you prefer it to just say like episode 6 part 1? I just put the episode number and the part because I think it keeps everything organized and it's easy to see what part you're on. However, when I read Canvas webtoons or webtoons in general, I really like the ones with specific titles. I feel like it might catch the reader's attention better as well because you can come up with some really creative title names for each upload, and it's just interesting. It's like, oh, what's that? Like, it says this, It's just interesting. I suppose that's something creators have to consider as well. I can't decide which to do or which one would attract more readers, but for now, I'm just asking for opinions. I might test it out later. Alright, so next week I am making a Webtoon video on how I draw my backgrounds as best as I can, so look out for that. I'm about done with this drawing, so I'll wrap this up. I hope you guys liked this Webtoon with me where I talked about Webtoon related things. I'll probably do more of these in the future. That is all I have for you guys this week. If you guys enjoyed this week's video or learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next week.